when the case between Johnny Depp and the Sun started because the Sun decided to publish an article calling Johnny Depp a wife beater. The narrative that the masses believed was that Johnny Depp was this terrible person, and Amber Heard was this poor, innocent woman who just happened to get tangled up in a bad relationship. And while a lot of people still do believe her story, many people in the public don't anymore. Her web of lies is slowly becoming untangled, and a lot of the truth is coming out about how she wasn't very innocent, and Johnny Depp's lawyers have actually proved that she did nasty, nasty things to him during their marriage as well, so her innocence is being questioned, and she really doesn't like that. But now that the case is coming to a close, I thought that I would discuss the wrap-up of it and the closing statements that were made. So this is an LA Times article. Arguments in Johnny Depp's libel trial wrap up with accusations and counter-accusations. Johnny Depp's libel case against a British tabloid that accused him of abusing ex-wife Amber Heard was wrapping up Tuesday, with Depp's lawyers branding Heard a compulsive liar, and the newspaper's attorney insisting instead that there was no doubt that Depp regularly and systematically abused his wife. Depp is suing the News Group newspaper, publisher of The Sun, and the newspaper's executive editor at the High Court in London over an April 2018 article that called the Pirates of the Caribbean star a wife beater. Now, in the closing arguments at the time, Depp's lawyer, David Sherborne, said that the actor strongly denied this reputation-destroying, career-ending allegation. He has never hit a woman in his entire life, period. Full stop, nada. Now, this is the big problem with this case, is that this is reputation destroying, this is career ending, because we have basically seen the end of Johnny Depp's career. He was kicked out of Pirates of the Caribbean, Disney completely fired him, and all of the other roles that he had at the time were dropped. He was dropped from those roles. It was career ending, and it was reputation destroying. Neither Depp nor Heard is on trial, though it has been easy to forget that during a case that dissected their toxic celebrity love affair. Depp is the claimant in the civil suit. NGN and Wooten are the defendants, and Heard is their main witness. To defeat Depp's liable claim, the newspaper must persuade the judge that, on the balance of probabilities, its story was accurate. Now, one of their lawyers, Sasha Wass, said in her summing up that there was no doubt that Depp regularly and systematically abused his wife, so the wife beater label was justified. But Sherborne said that the Sun's article, which urged Harry Potter creator J.K. Rowling to have Depp fired from the movie version of her book, Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them, gave the false impression that Depp had been tried, convicted, and sentenced for domestic violence, and compared him to the former film mogul Harvey Weinstein, who has been jailed for sex offenses. That is the biggest problem in this case, is that Johnny Depp had one accusation made against him by one person, and everyone instantly fired him. Everyone instantly deemed him guilty. And that shouldn't be the case. Let's look at Amber Heard for a moment. Amber Heard is being accused of abusing Johnny Depp during their marriage, and she hasn't gotten fired from any of her roles. Warner Brothers has not dropped her from Aquaman. She is still being put into films that are coming out. And no one seems to care that she has one accusation against her and she's innocent until proven guilty. But when it came to Johnny Depp, it didn't work that way, and I think that is disgusting. Just because your gender is female doesn't mean that you should be able to get away with calling someone disgusting things and making claims about them. Both sides agree that the relationship between Depp and Heard, which began after they met on the set of the 2011 comedy The Rum Diary, soured long before they divorced in 2017. Texts, emails, and recordings attest to the increasingly bitter relations between Depp, now 57, and the 34-year-old model and actress. I just wanted to note that the way that they frame the two actors here, they just view Johnny Depp as this 57-year-old actor, but then they put Amber Heard up on a pedestal a little bit, saying that she's this 34-year-old model and actress, as if you would know who she is more than you would know who Johnny Depp is. I just thought that was interesting. but they disagree completely over who started and escalated their fights. Depp denies Heard's claims of 14 separate incidences which he allegedly hit, slapped, and shoved her, pulled her hair, and threw vodka bottles at her like grenades. Very interesting wording there, by the way. The judge was shown photos of Heard with black eyes, red marks on her face, and an injured scalp, alleged evidence of Depp's violence. Depp said that the photos were part of a dossier of fake evidence and claimed that Heard hit him, even severing the tip of his finger with a thrown vodka bottle. Under cross-examination, though, Depp admitted headbutting Heard during a tussle, but said that it was by accident as he tried to stop her from punching him. The trial has provided an up-close and often unflattering look at Hollywood stardom, revealing details of Depp's life of wealth, luxury, emotional turmoil, and substance abuse. Mark Stevens, a media lawyer at the law firm Howard Kennedy, said that the sensational case has all of the hallmarks of a Roman arena. People will remember this case not for the results, but for the evidence, the rather nasty, gory evidence that was involved. I agree and disagree. I think that people will remember it for the results, because if they find that Johnny Depp wins this case, this is going to be huge for Johnny Depp, his career, and the future of the Me Too movement in Hollywood. The settings for the disintegrated relationship were as glamorous as the allegations were sordid. The alleged assaults took place on Depp's private island in the Bahamas, in a Los Angeles penthouse, on a luxury train, and aboard a private jet. So yes, this is the end of the case, and where this will go, I'm not sure. When there is another update, I will let you all know in a video or a live stream. But I'm curious to see if Johnny Depp is actually going to win this case. I have a feeling that he will, but I'm not going to make any assumptions. It's going to probably be a few weeks before we get the judgment. But let everyone know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Do you think that Johnny Depp will win this case, or do you think that he will lose? If you enjoyed this video and found it important, please make sure to give it a like and share it. And of course, if you did not, make sure to give it a dislike. I appreciate your support either way, and I will talk to you all again in the next video really soon.